In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create landscape visuals for websites in Artistly AI. Landscape images are commonly used for website banners, hero sections, blog headers, and background visuals, so they need to look clean, wide, and professional. First, select a wide or landscape aspect ratio before generating your image. This ensures the composition fits properly for website layouts. Next, write a clear prompt focused on your website theme. For example, you can say modern tech website hero banner, minimal business landscape background, or nature-inspired website header. Make sure your composition has good empty space, especially on one side, so text or buttons can be added later on the website without blocking important details. Use lighting and color styles that match your brand, like soft gradients for modern sites or cinematic lighting for more dramatic designs. After generating your image, use editing tools to refine composition and remove any distractions that could interfere with website text overlays. Finally, upscale the image to make it sharp and high resolution for web use. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.